Have you ever wondered how farmers are managing to grow more food in less time, all while facing challenges like climate change and dwindling resources? Well, it's not magic, it's technology. As our world continues to grow, so does the demand for food. The United Nations predicts that the global population will hit 9.7 billion by 2050. That's nearly 2.5 billion more people to feed. So, how do we keep up? Simple. We need smarter, more efficient farming. And that's where technology comes in, turning traditional farming practices upside down and shaking out some serious yield benefits. But how exactly are these high-tech gadgets helping farmers get more out of their crops? Let's dive into it. The challenges in modern agriculture. Number 1. Water scarcity. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, nearly two-thirds of the world's population could be living in water-stressed areas by 2025. This is a serious concern for agriculture, as water is essential for crop irrigation, livestock, and other farming processes. In regions like the Middle East and parts of Africa, farmers are already facing severe water shortages, which affect their ability to grow crops efficiently. Number 2. Soil degradation. A significant portion of the world's soil is being degraded at an alarming rate. The World Bank estimates that 33% of the world's soil is degraded, reducing agricultural productivity and threatening global food security. Overfarming, deforestation, and the excessive use of chemical fertilizers have led to significant soil erosion, making it more difficult for farmers to grow healthy crops. Number 3. Climate change. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns are expected to have a dramatic impact on crop yields, especially in regions that rely heavily on traditional farming. For example, in Africa, the impacts of climate change could reduce agricultural productivity by 20% by 2050. Extreme weather events like droughts and floods are already disrupting planting and harvesting cycles, leading to crop failures. However, technology offers powerful solutions to these problems. From smart irrigation systems to AI-driven platforms that predict the best times for planting and harvesting, modern innovations are helping farmers overcome these challenges and ensure food security in the future. Key agricultural technologies that boost crop yield. Precision farming, the future of crop management. Number 1. Drones and satellites. The agricultural drone market is expected to reach $6.48 billion globally, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 15.3%. Drones are used to survey large fields and gather high-resolution imagery, enabling farmers to spot issues like nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations early. This targeted approach allows farmers to apply fertilizers and pesticides only where needed, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Number 2. Soil sensors. Soil sensors are a game changer for real-time monitoring of soil health. These sensors are being deployed across farms worldwide to measure parameters such as moisture levels, nutrient content, and pH balance. The soil sensor market is expected to continue expanding, driven by the demand for precision agriculture. According to a report by Research and Markets, this market is growing due to the need for better resource management in regions facing water scarcity and soil degradation. In Iowa, USA, a farmer uses precision farming tools like drones and satellite imagery to monitor his cornfields. By detecting areas with soil deficiencies early, he can apply fertilizers more accurately, resulting in up to 30% higher yields, while reducing costs associated with fertilizer waste. Vertical farming. Growing more with less space. Number 1. Water and space efficiency. Vertical farms use up to 90% less water than traditional farming. They are particularly beneficial in regions facing water scarcity, such as parts of the Middle East and South Asia. Vertical farming also requires significantly less space, ideal for urban areas where land is limited. A study by Brookings Institute found that if cities around the world utilized vertical farming, they could potentially feed up to 80% of their population locally. Number 2. Market growth. The global vertical farming market is expected to reach $20.92 billion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of 24.4% from 2024. The growth is fueled by technological advancements and increasing demand for locally sourced, fresh produce in urban environments. Vertical farming is also helping cut down on carbon emissions associated with transporting food across long distances. In Singapore, Sky Greens has developed a vertical farm that uses 30% less energy than traditional farming methods and can produce 60 times more crops per square foot. The city-state has long been exploring vertical farming to reduce reliance on food imports and increase food security. Internet of Things in Agriculture. Number 1. Smart irrigation systems. Internet of Things-powered irrigation systems are helping farmers reduce water waste by ensuring crops are only watered when needed. Smart irrigation systems can detect moisture levels in the soil and send real-time alerts to farmers' smartphones, notifying them when irrigation is required. These systems are especially beneficial in areas facing water shortages, helping to conserve resources. Number 2. Real-time monitoring. Internet of Things devices can track a variety of factors, from soil health to livestock well-being, and send immediate alerts when something goes wrong. This real-time monitoring helps farmers take quick action to protect crops and animals. According to Markets, the global Internet of Things in agriculture market is expected to grow from $15.42 billion in 2024 to $28.70 billion by 2030. In California, a farmer uses an IoT-based smart irrigation system that automatically adjusts watering levels based on real-time weather and soil data, saving up to 40% of water usage annually. Similarly, IoT sensors are being used in crop dusters to monitor pesticide application, ensuring that farmers apply the right amount without overspraying. Artificial intelligence and big data for smart farming. Number 1. Weather and crop prediction. AI algorithms analyze historical weather data, soil conditions, and crop health to make highly accurate predictions about optimal planting and harvesting windows. AI is also used to predict potential crop diseases or pest infestations, allowing farmers to take preventative measures before damage occurs. Number 2. Big data. The use of big data allows farmers to make more informed decisions based on market trends, consumer demand, and crop performance data. AI-driven platforms like IBM's Watson Decision Platform for Agriculture use big data to help farmers optimize their operations, increasing yield and profitability. AI-based software, such as Climate Field View by Bayer, provides farmers with real-time, data-driven insights about their crops. By leveraging weather data, soil health reports, and satellite imagery, farmers can adjust planting strategies to maximize yields, resulting in up to 25% more yield per acre. So, there you have it. From precision farming to AI-driven platforms, technology is changing the way we grow food. Now, I want to hear from you. What agricultural technology do you think will have the biggest impact in the next 10 years? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into the future of farming and technology.